It's gonna look.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a chili corn pone pie at the pit, and it's easy to do. Now, right off, I'm sure you're asking, what the heck is corn pone pie? Well, history tells us this recipe is based on American Indian, Southern American Indian culture, where corn pone or pone meant essentially baked cornmeal. Check out this chili version. It's
this
good.
Here is a combination of a corn pond pie with a little bit of hamburger and a little bit of onion, and it's something that I think originated from the old Gunsmoke show on TV, where they had it as a specialty for a meal on Gunsmoke. So with the combination of the meat and the cornbread stuffing mix that we're going to apply to it to bake it, it's going to be pretty good. So as we cook, it will be finished up probably in about another half hour. So hopefully it'll be a success and it'll be good.
Nice. What else is gonna go in this?
It's going to have kidney beans, stewed tomatoes, chili powder. We already put the salt, pepper, and garlic in there. We're going to add a little bit of mild chili peppers to finish it off, to give it a little bit of a tang.
Yep.
So once our meat is all browned up, we're going to drain the grease off the meat and put it back in the pan and start all over again with the other ingredients to let it simmer again with the rest of the ingredients to make it come together.
Excellent. It's gonna be good.
We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Take a look at that.
A little chili powder.
Some chili powder going in.
Alright, Jitterbig's here to understand. That's what's going on, man.
There you go.
Back in here.
Jiffy box.
Right? Over just sweet corn.
Oh yeah.
Green corn, that's the secret
That's
right there.
Jitter's trout chum. Tell me that in the hole.
Got about a half acre of cornfield in there.
Pour that on top. Yep.
Those few ones are cool looking.
You got to smell this, people.
Right. Put it in the oven. Should get that baby up to what, 400 at some point here and just let it bake. chili cornbread pie. Love chili, I love cornbread.
Hey guys, come on in. Come on in, guys. Come on in, guys. Come on in, guys. We're gonna try some corn pie.
Thank you, sir.
Corn pie.
Got them. Pass them out.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Yeah.
There, dude. Get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show that to the camera.
Yes.
Slap
Oh,
that
man.
baby right on there.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, the aromas.
Take a side.
Here, who's that last slap? There you go. There you go. Who's going for that slap?
Talk about lunch, huh?
Ooh, after it juices it.
Oh, man.
We got a little hot sauce. We got a little chipotle on that sauce right there. I'm just saying, man, maybe a little hot sauce. A little slap and tickle.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he said, give me that.
Yeah.
All right, who's next?
All right,
Bob Fame.
I'll get close on this, Jess. You gotta get untied on this. All right, look at that. Now, take a look at that cornbread right there. Look at it. You kidding? It's awesome. Just, loaded with chili and topped with chili. Oh, Martha. You're killing me, Martha.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Jesus.
Go ahead, Jeff.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. Get these shots, Dave, right here. I'm gonna see.
You know what? Here. Yeah. I can take that one.
Yep. There you go.
That'll be more than 2.
Yeah, we got that last time for the.
Oh, man.
You need a hot sauce.
It's all together, man. Very good.
Awesome.
One for the presentation.
Oh.
Everything comes together. Where's the whipped cream?
Wow, that is so perfect.
Compliments to the chef, Jeff. Give a thumbs up.
All right. Thumbs up.
He said, let me treat you, there's a shot.
Great job.
Lasher, what's your approval?
He's speechless.
Approval rating is
If he's speechless, that means it's good.
Down the tubes. No words. Down the tubes it goes. No words.
Oh yeah.
As those onions hit the pan, this is
It's hearty.
Wow, this
This
will stick to the rib cage there, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Shutting down.
I know.
I'm gonna tell you what, right here, that right there.
All right, party's
You
over.
eat that?
Everybody go home.
You eat that on the way to a hunting spot. You're gonna get to that tree and you're going to sleep, my friend. You're gonna be sitting in the woods snoozing. That they're gonna come walking
Oh, yeah.
out of nowhere.
Everything is living that day.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and I don't think we're apologizing.
No way. This is good.
Good.
That's that rootin' tune good stuff right there.
Corn pie. Well done, Harvey. Well
Thank
done.
you very much.
So, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
Yeah.
That's good to the ribs right there, boys.